Guess who? We are back. I'm not a professional. Like, I'm just trying to let y'all know if y'all want to follow along. I don't know if y'all should get janked up when you put these 2 gems on your teeth. Don't say, oh, Monique said, you don't need to do it like this. I'm just showing y'all how I do it. Also, one more thing. If you haven't subscribed, liked, comment, or shared this video, what the are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, comment, share. Like, I don't know what else to tell y'all. That's only if you feel like it, because, hey, I don't have a gun to your head. You want bling on your teeth or what? So, stay tuned. Or else. So, this is the kid. I feel like I'm Men in Black, like this thing right here, okay? This is the etching gel. So, yeah, you're gonna need etching gel. You're gonna need a blowable composite, which is this thing right here. Some of this, some bonding resin. So, if you don't got these things, I'm so sorry for you, babes. It's not gonna work out for you. So we're gonna need some different tooth gems. Like, these are the ones that I have. I have a whole bunch. They're kind of like Q-tips, but like they're like super tiny as fuck. Like, they're tiny as hell. And you're gonna need like these little things. You also need this gem picker upper. So you're gonna make sure that you can pick your gem up and put it directly on your teeth without it like falling and like going out everywhere. You're gonna need this to put in your mouth so your mouth can't get. Step number 1, brush your damn teeth. You can brush your teeth already, like, come on now. Make sure y'all shit straight.
Twister, you told her right. Make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ice like Kobe, why? We sorta like Goldie, right? The way we mold them, right? Make you a celebrity overnight. You won't fame, we can take that path. Candlelights when you take a bath. You got such a sensational ass. I'ma get you Jimmy Choo and Mark Jacob back. I could cop a 2003. Make her smile when she sees freeze. I can get you on CDs and DVDs. Take you to BBs and BCBG. I can get you in the places to begin to the people to know what show you things to get into. I wanna be your lover.
Get this shit.
The stars you can reach a girl, y'all take a look at her. She got such an astonishing body. I can see her instant Gucci and Robert Cavalli. And now she gon' put her heart in the heart in the party. And you know you kill her in the club clothes. You was born to be a pro, how you pose, taking photos. And I love you cause you freaking with the dough clothes. Drop it to the flow, lick a cold when you roll slow. And I love it when I hit it from the back. And you get on top of me, I have a brother going oh. Gonna love how you
get your shit.
I make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ice like Kobe, right? We sorta like Goldie, right?
Later that night.
Okay, y'all. I literally just finished the first fucking tooth. Why the fuck did it take me 1 hour to do that? Oh, I can see right there. Y'all know how I do. It's already coming out good. On to the next. That's that time.
Bitch, we ain't worried about me. My shooters fat and they ready to eat. We back in the sea, she spaghetti to deep. These niggas ain't shooters, they killing on me. Let me shit bills, taco feeling the scene. I'm pulling my pants up, I'm ready to swing. I'm ready to swing on the beach.
2,000 years later.
It's currently 3:45 right now. Bruh, I started this shit like fucking 1.
My niggas gon' ride for me. Put on they swimming trunks, slide for me. Bitch, we ain't worried about me. My shooters fat and they ready to eat. We back in the sea, she spaghetti to deep. These niggas ain't shooters, they killing on me. Let me shit bills, taco feeling the scene. I flood in my pocket with Parmesan cheese. Tats on they face, he tryna look dope. Behind no tattoos, I know he a hoe. Pull up with that photo, my shit getting old. I tell him I'm moving, but striking that gold. 2016, we charging for
A little longer than a few minutes later.
That's me out. That's me out. So what we did was add 2 hearts down here, 2 little rhombuses. What? 418? It took like 3 hours. But here we are. Feeling like Lil Uzi. Why the fuck I feel like Lil Uzi though? I don't know. I'm just feeling like a bad bitch. But now that I re-put my suit jump back in, it's very much giving. I'm very much finna go eat your baby daddy. Y'all see? It's very much up and stuff. I don't know. I don't really have no aftercare when it comes to switching. Honestly, I just live my life. Like, subscribe to a bad bitch. YouTube is free. I never said drop $100 in my cash out. What I mean, you want to, like, feel free to. I ain't asking for much. I'm just asking for a subscription. That's it. I'm just going with the flow. Stay tuned for the next video. Toodles and toodles. Out of here.